Good morning, good morning. Well, big day over here at our ASIC mining property. Still haven't figured out what we want to call it. Some of you guys had said command center. That sounds like fun, but we'll have to see. So what's happening today? Well, we have to do some kind of steps before we can get energized here at our ASIC mining property. We've added the new shed, the conduit is run, but before we can get energized, the power company actually, and then we knew about this, the power company actually told us that they need to actually come out here and upgrade the transformer. The transformer here services about 5 different properties, including our commercial service that we added about 1.5 years ago. And they need to replace the transformer to support our new 400 amp commercial single phase service. So we actually have to go ahead and power down because it's gonna be a few hours, and they not only have to replace the transformer and upgrade it, but they also are going to be replacing the pole. Today's video is proudly sponsored by Coin Mining Central, the UK's premier partner for ASIC mining hardware, available at coinminingsentral.com. With crypto mining hardware prices at historic lows, now is the perfect moment to invest in the ASIC miner you've been eyeing. Whether you're scaling up or just starting out, Coin Mining Central has you covered. For over 3 years now, I've trusted Coin Mining Central, a company with 6 years of industry experience, for their exceptional service and reliability, and I'm thrilled to continue partnering with their team. They consistently stock my go-to Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Kaspa, and Aleo ASIC miners at highly competitive prices, ensuring you get the best value for your investment. Worried about hardware issues? Rest easy. Every ASIC comes with a full manufacturer's warranty, giving you peace of mind with every purchase. For a trusted, established, and secure way to buy your next ASIC, look no further than Coin Mining Central. Visit them today using the link in the video description below and unlock $120 off your order with exclusive discount code TheHobbyistMiner. Plus, check out their new reward program for even more exclusive discounts and benefits. Power up your mining journey with Coin Mining Central today. All right, let's step inside here. And we do have to power down. It's going to be awfully quiet. So we're just going to start from the top here, work our way down. Be nice, it'll quiet down pretty quickly. We'll do the main breakers last. And I wanted to be over here just to be safe so that I could power everything down. Ooh, that one went over easy. Oh, so that one. I want to be over here so I can power everything down versus them just pulling it. So exciting. What I'm going to do today is actually get some stuff done here at the property while they're actually working. One, it allows me to record it. And then also two, the nice thing is I can get some odd and ends done. One, while it's quiet, and two, while our equipment is not running. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, and I'll see you guys here in a little while, and I'll keep you guys up to date on the poll. All right, so they're making some really good progress back here. You can see they're actually, if you see behind me here, they're actually getting the new pole in place. They actually moved, they're gonna be moving everything over like 2 to 3 feet, which I don't know how that's gonna work out with the conduits that are already in place. Not my deal, but definitely learn something new every day out here chatting with these guys. Dude, the linemen, so cool. So cool guys, very interested in what we were doing here, wanted to learn more, wanted to know how it worked. They loved it, it was just cool. So, love meeting new people and learning new things. I'll check back in here shortly. All right, so they got the new pole in place. We'll get a closer look once they're all done here today. They got some guys up in the bucket trucks there working on prepping the pole for the new transformer. Oh, I'm excited. I'll have to do the math. They said they're upgrading it to 167 kVA transformer. How many amps is that? Anybody know? Oh man, things got super interesting today. Let me explain it to you guys a little bit more. So if you guys checked out my video from 2 days ago, we talked about having to power down the shed because the power company was out here because this meter was running hot. It's actually warm right now, but the meter was running hot. And I brought that up today when I was talking with the lineman here, and we ended up getting the lineman supervisor to come out, as well as the engineer that I've been working with. Two great guys, have been really easy to work with. And we all had a nice little kumbaya meeting out here to chat through this entire setup here. So let me explain. So check out the size of that transformer up there. 167 kVA versus our little 50 kVA, which I found out was actually overloaded and can support it though, but it was overloaded out there. So here's all the details on what's going on. Well, first off, here's the new pole. And guess what I get to do in the next 2 weeks? I have to now pull up my 4-inch conduit and pull it back and get that U-sweep, the 90-degree sweep, to come up into there. So that's gonna freaking suck. But I gotta do that in the next few weeks before they energize. So that's the easy one there. So let's talk about our existing service, because that's where the concern is. This is actually warm. So here's what we found out, talking with the engineer, talking with the lineman supervisor, everything like that. Why was it running hot? What is going on? So this was put in about a year and a half ago. And this is a 350, 354. So this is a 350 cable. It is being pretty much maxed out plus. It is meant to run 320 amps. So it's too small for what we're running. Now 320 is about 80% of our 400 amp. I run up to about 360, 365 amps in my shed. They're okay with that. They're fine with that, but it's undersized. Even though when we originally were putting this together with the power company, they recommended the 350, 354L because that's normal for a 400 amp, but not for a consistent demand like ours. So what's gonna happen? Well, based off of that, we redid a few things. They're gonna be coming out and they're going to be running a 500 cable, which is meant to support a lot more in our new conduit for the new shed. And while they're here, they're going to pull out the 350 and they're gonna give me a brand new 500 cable all the way out to our shed there. Between the properly rated cable to support the demand and the brand new transformer, they said that cable will run cool and we'll be able to use all of that power that we're looking to use, which is, I said, about 360 amps here. So it's been an interesting day for sure. They did not cut us over to the new transformer. They decided that they're gonna wait until the week of October 1st. When they come to energize me, they're gonna cut everybody in the block here over to that new transformer. So I love it. A lot going on, a lot of progress here, which is awesome on our project. Love to see it. I spent the day over here, I shouldn't say the day, few hours while they were working on the shed. We went ahead and actually painted the new doors that we had put in. Listen, I hate painting, all right, but it turned out okay, I guess. Also installed some handles, some new handles on each side of the door. Turned out pretty good. Nothing perfect, but it ended up working out. Did the same thing on our shed down there. All right, so quick update over here. Love to see it. We are progressing. I'm so glad we were able to get the engineer and the lineman supervisor over here to chat things out and just come up with the best solution. It was awesome to hear that just like everybody chatting it out, how much we're using here, what's our expected here. Nobody was upset. They all learned that I was Bitcoin mining and they loved it. They thought it was cool. They wanted a tour of the shed. I absolutely gave them one. Nobody was talking about how much it was going to cost PPL, the power company. They just took care of everything. They were like, no problem, we'll take care of it, we'll pay for it. I love to hear it. I love to hear it. Now, they probably also enjoy getting paid every month from the amount of power that we're using here. Also knowing that we're going to double it over there. But yeah, so anyways, that's going to wrap things up. Guys, I appreciate it. Last video I had on my meter, so many of you guys commented letting me know of what you thought the issue was. And a lot of you guys were right. It was the cable. The cable was undersized. So I really appreciate it. I mean, I am no expert. I am learning as we go here. All right, guys, that's going to wrap things up. Next update will be on the shed coming up next week. This shed is going to get fully wired up inside, all the intakes, all the exhaust, all the electrical. Stay tuned. Are you ready to invest in your next Bitcoin miner, but unsure where to start? Look no further than compassmining.io. Why choose Compass Mining? 3 reasons. Number 1, an effortless buying experience. Their state-of-the-art website and secure checkout process make purchasing your Bitcoin miner a breeze. Number 2, their expert guidance. Unsure which Bitcoin miner is right for you? Their friendly, knowledgeable team based in the US is here to help. Number 3, their hosting solutions. Need a place to host your new Bitcoin miners? Compass Mining has over 20 partner locations across the United States. I recently visited their Nebraska facility in December and now host several Bitmain Antminer S21s and S19K Pros at Compass. The experience was fantastic. Ready to learn more? Visit the link down below to set up a free one-on-one consultation with a Compass Mining team member, or watch the full Nebraska mining farm tour down below. Start your Bitcoin mining journey today with Compass Mining.